Most traders waste years searching for a magic trading strategy, but in 2025, I finally broke through, earning $13,570 in profits with minimal drawdown. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system that changed everything for me and how you can use it to build real profitable strategies for 2026. Here's the easiest way to think about it, which I call IBOP. The first letter, the I, stands for idea, and here you need to start off with an idea for a strategy. This very first point used to freak me out a lot because I always thought you needed to be already a genius trader to come up with trading ideas. But today I'm going to give you 4 proven techniques for finding ideas for your trading strategy from easiest to hardest. And the first one involves the old school, very hard method, which is coming up with ideas from your own brain. Now, I am honestly not a fan of this method because it relies on you being a really good manual trader already. You already have 20 years of experience. You know exactly which indicators work well together on which timeframes and which assets. Unfortunately, not all of us have that experience. Not all of us are genius traders. I am definitely not a genius manual trader, which puts me at a disadvantage. And I imagine many of you might not be genius traders who are the best of the best in the world. So let's look at option 2, which is slightly easier. And with the rise of AI over the past few years, it has made it much easier for the average retail trader to come up with trading ideas. AI can speed up the process in strategy development. However, you also need to understand how to prompt the AI properly. I found you can't give it generic information like, give me a profitable trading strategy, or give me a strategy on the Euro USD 1 hour time frame that makes profits over the past 5 years. AI generally really struggles with this, regardless of which time frame or which currency pair you choose. It just can't do it for you. To effectively build a trading strategy with AI, again, you need to be a good trader already. And you're building on your years of experience, knowing which indicators to use, which assets are trending, and which assets are mean reversion. I have not had that much success with AI. None of the strategies it's given me so far are good. They're pretty generic and standard, and none of them have been that profitable in my backtesting. Instead, I found a much more reliable method to use AI. So I find a strategy online that is already clearly defined and let AI simplify the trading logic into bullet points for me. So this brings us to the third way to generate ideas, borrowing or stealing from other profitable traders. There's so many resources online nowadays. You can find ideas from YouTube videos, blog posts, magazines, and books. And even though translating these ideas can seem like hard work, because you have to process pages and pages of written text. Now, you can use AI here to simplify it for you. And with books, don't discard the idea just because it was published in a book many, many years ago. Think of it as out of sample testing. Because the idea was published many years ago, it was probably based on sound logical reasoning, and any data after the book was published is out of sample testing. And 2 of these strategies in my 76 robot portfolio are built using strategies from books that were published many, many years ago. Both have been trading on my live account and have been profitable. The last way is my favorite way to create trading strategies. It is the easiest and the fastest, which is to use software to build these strategies for you. So I personally use a Strategy Quant, the genetic builder, to create strategies for me fully automatically with a click of a button. And I found great success with these strategies, as you can see in my live trading account. And doing it this way means I don't need to have 20 years of experience to create profitable strategies. And all I have to do is use my checklist to pick the strategies that meet my criteria to build a portfolio and make profits while I'm out with the kids and enjoying life. But all these methods of strategy building do have their own dangers, and the biggest danger is building the wrong way. So the next letter in IBOP is B, and that's build. So this step is fairly simple. We need to use a small amount of data for the build. If you have 10 years of data, regardless of the way you are building your strategy, whether you're coding yourself or using AI to build it for you, or using a software, use a small amount of data. So before I created my YouTube channel, I spent a lot of time learning coding in MQL4 and MQL5. I tried to create profitable strategies, but I found the building process took a lot of time. It took me months, even as an experienced programmer, to learn MQL code and come up with a strategy and build it from scratch. This was the days before AI really took off. So now, yes, AI can help you build strategies fully automatically, but like one of my students found out, it's not a very good tool. It's super buggy, and unless you already know trading, it's going to take you an unbelievable amount of time to debug the random nonsense it sometimes spits out. So yes, Strategy Quant X is the tool of my choice for creating strategies, either with the Genetic Builder or with AlgoWizard, which is a drag and drop interface. And I like using the Genetic Builder because all you do is set up the different building blocks like the indicators that you want, and you click a button and the software will do all the hard work for you. But my one rule for the building stage is to use small amounts of data. That's where most people will make the mistake of using all their data or using large amounts of data. So if you've got 10 years of data, only use a small amount for the build stage. This is one of the key concepts that I struggled with for many months. So long ago, I was only able to create strategies for the USD Japanese yen when I used large amounts of data. But when I changed it up and started using small amounts of data, my portfolio exploded from one currency to over 30 different assets. Okay, the thing is, building is only 20% of the total steps needed to create a trading strategy. So don't spend all of your time stuck in the build process, because the next step after this is testing. This is the O in IBOP, which stands for out of sample testing. Up to this point, you've built your strategy and proven that it has been profitable with the small amount of data you chose. Now you need to confirm that the strategy still works on unseen data. And here we want the data to be big, very, very big. And that's it for this step. Test your strategy on large amounts of data it has never seen before, because the next step is important and uses the same data we've just tested on. By the way, if you're a good trader, Darwinex Zero is a great platform that pays good traders. You get a simulated account to trade and earn money from your trading. And there are 4 different ways to make money in Darwinex. There's the silver stage, where you can get between 30 and 375k in allocation, and you get to keep it for 3 months. Then there's the gold stage, where you can receive up to 500k in allocation and keep it for 6 months. And then there's investor capital, which can get into the millions and millions of dollars. And then now there's the 100 paid permanent allocation, which sticks with you forever as long as you've got the account. You've got the instant allocation and the performance-based allocation. All these 4 different options are stackable, so you can get silver, gold, investor capital, and permanent allocation all in the one account and earn money from all these. So I personally trade on Darwinex Zero and received 30k in allocation last month. You can use the code Lisa when signing up for a discount with them. Now we are going to test to see how sensitive our strategy is, and this is called the P in IBOP, which stands for Parameter Sensitivity Permutation. Quite the mouthful. Let me show you in a chart what this would look like. Here we have an example strategy, and the blue line here is the equity curve. We have 4 different parameters and settings for our particular strategy, but what if we just got lucky? What if these settings were just the perfect settings that worked on old data? What we need to do now is take this strategy and tweak one number. So change this number from 40 to 42 and rerun this test. Now this gives us 2 equity charts, the original chart and the second equity chart with 1 tweak in the settings. You can see here that this strategy is still profitable, but there are many, many more settings to play with. If we take all 4 settings and combine all the different combinations of them, we would get thousands and thousands of possible combinations. So let's repeat this test 200 times. Now we can see that all 200 different variations are profitable, which is a really good sign, because in the future, we don't know how the market is going to move. It might move very similarly to how it has in the past, but it will never be 100% exact. So this test increases the probability that our strategy is not overfit and will remain profitable in the future. When one of my students followed this process, he was able to go from knowing nothing about algo trading to being profitable in Forex, commodities, and stock indices in just a few months. Finally, the last P in IBOP, which stands for portfolio. And this is the most important step and the secret sauce to getting really smooth equity curves. So a lot of traders will look for the perfect, smoothest equity curve in one single strategy. And they become very disappointed when they see their strategy losing when they start trading it live. My own strategies are pretty ugly. They're not smooth at all. They have long periods of drawdowns when you look at the strategies individually. However, if you combine 1, 2, 3, 4 average looking strategies together, all their profits add up. But the real magic is that all their drawdowns do not add up. They actually reduce. By using a portfolio, you make more money, have less drawdown, and achieve a smoother equity chart. The best tool I have found that allows you to create a portfolio from any robot is totally free. It is called Quant Analyzer, which allows you to create up to 4 strategies in a portfolio. There's also the paid version that comes as part of the Strategy Quant Ultimate Pack, and this allows you to create unlimited strategies in your portfolio. And because portfolios are the true holy grail of trading, I made a full dedicated video. Watch it right here, where I show you step by step the exact process to use this totally free tool to get smoother equity charts.